Hi everyone, welcome back to CraftiWorks. Today I have a special project for you, a unique painted card with embroidery stitches. First, take your watercolor paper and paint some leaves on it using green acrylic paint. You don't need to be an expert painter. Simple leaf shapes work perfectly for this project. This is a fun and easy way to combine painting and embroidery to create a beautiful handmade card. Let's get started. These holes will guide your stitching and ensure a neat and tidy finish. Now thread your needle with your chosen embroidery floss. I'm using green floss to match the leaves. Secure the end of your thread on the back of the card with a knot. Trim any excess thread. Try this technique with different shapes and designs, like flowers or geometric patterns. Write a special message inside the card to make it even more personal and unique. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to CraftiWorks for more creative projects and tutorials. See you next time.